Ladies and gentlemen, this is Survival Billboard.
Pretty nervous.
I'm ready.
The pain is only temporary. Glory lasts forever.
You have the power. You can vote survivalbillboard.com. And you voted for snow. And this is the start of the true endurance test.
I'm getting so angry at this rain.
A bit sadistic, but I like it.
Let us know what you're thinking. Keep chatting to us on Twitch.
They will be suffering from genuine fatigue at this point.
I underestimated the challenge. That's it. I'm done.
Goodness knows how they're managing it.
I'm gonna call it quits here.
They have been up there for an incredible amount of time. Our contestants have been through the elements.